Hello everyone, how are you doing? Satiel here and welcome back with another quick tutorial. In today's I'm gonna show how to resolve these files don't not have an app associated with it fix. In Windows 10 and Windows 11, go to the Start menu and search for Registry Editor. Right click and select Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control, click on Yes. And go to this directory, one moment. Select H key place root and scroll down and browse for ᴄᴏ file. ᴄᴏ file folder, select this folder, and in the right side in the blank area click on new and select string value and rename with the next name. Select and type ls shortcut and click in the blank area ls/cut list shortcut and one click in the blank space. Restore this directory and close. To apply the change, restart your computer. Go to the Start menu and select the power off button and click on Restart. And wait a moment. Login in your desktop. And your problem has been fixed. Thanks for watching, don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next tutorial. Bye.